Hi guys, okay, come with me. Let's unbox this 100k worth of fabrics and material I got from Oshodi market. Okay, one thing I promised myself is that this year I'm going to celebrate every win. Yes, I know some people will be like 100k worth of fabric and you are doing like this. Yes, I know when I used to go to Oshodi market with just 10k, yes, to go and get fabrics. Funny enough, the whole of those bag, apart from like 2 to 3 fabric, is just for 3 persons. I'm making shirts and 2 piece, I think so. So I'm happy, and this is me also telling you that um be proud of your hustle, be proud of where you're starting from, okay? Celebrate your wins, don't look at anyone, okay? So the first on the bag is my brown paper. That's a pattern paper for me. That's what I use most times, okay? So the next one, let's open this and know what is inside. So this is on vintage fabric. Yes, this particular ones, all the vintage fabric here, I'm going to use it in making shirts. Yes, you do see the shirts I post, right? So I'm going to use the making shirts. So look at those fine fabrics. Now, one thing about most of the shirts I make is that I'll be sincere with you. When you are looking at the fabric, it might not be too beautiful. But when I'm done sewing, when I'm done setting it, you see the beauty of it. Yes. Okay, so I think this should be the last in that bag, in that particular nylon. Yes. So like I said, I'm using all this to make a shirt. So let's check the next one. What is inside this one? This is not a fabric. It is not. Oh, I bought this plate for putting food and all that. Okay. So let's see the next one. What's inside this? What's inside this? I know, looking at this bag, some of you won't believe that this is 100k worth of fabric, but it is. Okay, this is a lace fabric. Actually, I didn't buy this one, but I took it to the market to get the inner, which is the satin and the lining. Yes, I do take my lace to the market. Anytime I'm buying an inner for lace or lining, I take it to the market. Most times I don't like taking just a piece of it. I take, maybe I'll just cut out a yard or so, depending on how the fabric comes. Okay, this is hemming gum. Do you know that they have original hemming gum? A bit permanent one. I don't even know what they call it, but that is what I'm actually holding. Yes, I'm still going to make a video to tell you guys to tell you guys the difference between this particular hemming gum and the normal one we all make use of. Yes. Okay, so that's it about that. This is also lace fabric, and this is our hemming gum. Sorry, this is not hemming gum. This is our paper stay. I don't know what you call it in your own side, but I call it the paper stay. This is the normal gum stay. Yes. So I think that is all. Okay, the lining for the lace. Okay, so that is all for that. So those that are calculating, you can be doing your calculations. No problem. Like I said, this is 100k worth of fabric. Okay, look at this particular one. Also want to make use of this to make a shirt. Yes. Okay, so let's check the next nylon and see what is inside. Okay, what is inside here? Let's see. Okay, I think that one was not part of the things I bought. Let's see. Oh, this is packaging nylon. Yes, this is what I use to package my clothes and all that. It's not branded, it's just plain packaging nylon. Okay, the next bag we have vintage fabric also. Just look at this. I'm using this to make 2 piece, a shirt and a short. Just wait, when I'm done making it, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to arrange that fabric. You will see the beauty of it now. Don't worry, trust me, you know what I can do now. So all these are for a short and a shirt, like I said earlier. Okay, so that one, I think that is still nylon, packaging nylon. Okay, no, that's hard net. that's hard net I want to use and sew that gown. Now this particular bag I'm opening, this one has the most expensive content. Yes, all these are jonkoso fabric. They're all jonkoso fabric. Yes. So and you know how expensive jonkoso is. Like I said, this is the expensive content inside that bag. So you see. So I think this is the last. This is the last stuff I have inside that bag, and you see how my 100K just go down like that. You see. Now, the reason why I'm saying this is for those of you. Okay, this is also a vintage fabric inside the bag. Now, for those of you that always send money to your tailor, fashion designers, or whatever, and you be like, why are you saying fabric is expensive? Why are you saying fabric is expensive? My dear, fabric is now very, very expensive. Not just that, the time it will take the person, the tailor, to go and source for fabric. So please, when they tell you pay them their words, pay them their happy price. Okay? So these are all the things I got for 100K inside Oshodi market. Let's check. Do we still have any other thing? This one is packaging nylon also. What do we have here? Okay, I think we have joggers rope. Yes, because most of the outfits I'm making, they are going to have elastic and elastic waistband and a rope. So I think this is all inside the bag. Do we still have another thing? No, I don't think so. So okay, these ones are buttons. Yes, I bought buttons, shirt buttons, to add to the ones I had. Let's check. What do we have inside here? Okay. Oh, this is silk fabric. Yes, I want to use this to make a shirt. This is silk fabric. Yes. So this is it. Look at how beautiful this fabric is. I think that is all. Okay, that's my 100K worth of goods. And like I said earlier, I am proud of myself. I am happy. I know I am not where I want to be, but I am heading somewhere. So please, whatever you are doing, whichever stage you are in that your business, be happy, be proud of yourself. As long as you keep moving, you're going to get there. Okay, so I'm going to see you guys next time. Thank you so much. I love you guys.